Human Interest Story by Mrs. Jayanti, Senior Psychiatric Social Work Practitioner. There are moments in social work that remain permanently etched in one's mind, not because of statistics or institutional achievements, but because they redefine our understanding of humanity itself. My association with Odavum Karangal and its founder secretary, S. Vidyakar, has been one such experience. In a society where abandoned girl children are often silently pushed into the shadows of neglect, rejection and uncertainty, Odavum Karangal has quietly built an extraordinary model of compassion that restores not merely survival, but dignity, identity and belonging. The journey began in 1983 when Mr. Vidyakar rescued an abandoned newborn infant in Chennai. What started as a single act of compassion gradually evolved into a lifelong humanitarian mission that challenged the conventional limits of institutional childcare. Instead of restricting care to food, shelter and education, he embraced a far deeper responsibility, raising abandoned girl children with the same affection, emotional security and commitment expected from loving parents. As a psychiatric social work practitioner with over 3 decades of field experience, I have closely observed how abandonment during infancy leaves deep emotional scars and lifelong social vulnerability. Many of these children are discarded even before they experience the warmth of a mother's embrace, simply because they were born girls. Society often labels them as unwanted, burdensome or socially inconvenient. What makes Odavum Karangal exceptional is that these very children, once rejected and abandoned by society, are nurtured with love, educated with dignity, emotionally strengthened and eventually offered back to the same society as confident women, qualified professionals, caring mothers and responsible citizens. This remarkable transformation has been made possible through the selfless and lifelong dedication of Mr. S. Vidyakar. In Indian culture, arranging a daughter's marriage is considered one of the most sacred parental responsibilities. Yet abandoned girls usually grow up without identity, family support or emotional belonging. Mr. Vidyakar chose to challenge this painful reality. Odavum Karangal carefully identifies suitable grooms, conducts detailed family verification, and supports every marriage with the same care, dignity and cultural respect that biological parents would extend to their own daughters. Extraordinary Journey. The organization provides jewelry, silk saris, household articles and all essential support required for the bride to begin a stable and dignified family life. Even after marriage, the follow-up support continues to ensure the well-being of the couples. The impact of this humane model is extraordinary. So far, Odavum Karangal has solemnized 270 marriages for girls rescued as abandoned infants. These women are today leading stable family lives with dignity and social acceptance. Importantly, 82 more girls are currently being nurtured towards adulthood and future marriage responsibilities. Perhaps the most touching dimension of the story is the enduring emotional bond that continues long after the marriages are over. The daughters, along with their husbands, children and even extended families, regularly return to meet the man they affectionately call Papa. They visit during childbirth, festivals and important family occasions to seek his blessings and celebrate together. Through these relationships, Odavum Karangal has evolved far beyond an institution, it has become an ever-growing family. Mr. Vidyakar himself never married. He chose instead to dedicate his entire life to abandoned children, destitute persons and vulnerable communities. Today, he is Raga.